A silent supply crisis just hit AI, and it could slow everything overnight. Something strange is happening in the AI world. Nvidia chips are vanishing, not just selling out, disappearing from the supply chain faster than anyone predicted. And almost nobody is talking about the real reason why. Because this is not just a chip shortage, this is a hidden bottleneck that could reshape the entire AI race. Right now, artificial intelligence is exploding across the globe. From Silicon Valley to China, from startups to governments, everyone wants more computing power. And that power depends on one thing: Nvidia GPUs. These chips are the engine behind modern AI. They train large language models, they run advanced simulations, they power military systems, finance tools, and next-gen robotics. But here's the problem: there aren't enough of them, and the shortage is getting worse. At first, it looked like a simple demand spike. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft rushed to buy thousands of GPUs, then tens of thousands, then hundreds of thousands, but the supply couldn't keep up. Factories are running at full capacity. Orders are delayed for months. Even the biggest tech companies are waiting in line. But this is where things get interesting, because the real bottleneck isn't just Nvidia, it's everything behind Nvidia. Every chip depends on a complex global system, advanced manufacturing, rare materials, precision engineering, and one critical player: Taiwan. Most of Nvidia's most advanced chips are produced by TSMC, and TSMC operates at the very edge of what is technologically possible. We're talking nanometer-level precision, ultraviolet lithography, machines so complex that only one company in the world can build them: ASML. This means the entire AI revolution depends on a fragile chain. Nvidia designs the chips, TSMC manufactures them, ASML enables the manufacturing. If any part slows down, everything slows down. And right now, that chain is under pressure. Demand is exploding faster than supply can scale. Building new fabrication plants takes years, not months, years, and costs tens of billions of dollars. Even governments are stepping in. The United States is investing heavily in domestic chip production. China is racing to build its own alternatives. Export restrictions are tightening. Technology is becoming geopolitical. This is no longer just business. It's a global power struggle, and Nvidia chips are at the center of it all. But here's the hidden detail most people missed. Even if more chips are produced, there's another bottleneck: energy. AI data centers consume massive amounts of electricity. Some facilities use as much power as small cities, and scaling AI means scaling energy infrastructure, which is already strained in many regions. So now we have two bottlenecks: chips and power, and both are limiting how fast AI can grow. This creates a strange situation. Demand keeps rising, supply struggles to catch up, and the gap between them keeps widening. So companies are getting creative. Some are redesigning models to use fewer GPUs. Others are building custom chips. Google has TPUs, Amazon has Trainium, Microsoft is developing its own AI hardware. But even these alternatives rely on similar supply chains, which means the bottleneck doesn't disappear, it just shifts. Meanwhile, Nvidia keeps winning. Its dominance is growing stronger. Its chips are still the gold standard, and its pricing power is increasing. Some GPUs are being sold at massive markups. Secondary markets are booming, and access to compute is becoming a competitive advantage. This is changing the rules of AI race. It's no longer just about talent or algorithms. It's about who has the hardware, who controls the infrastructure, who can secure the supply. And this is where things get serious, because this bottleneck could slow down innovation, or worse, concentrate power in the hands of a few players. Companies with access to chips will move faster, others will fall behind. Countries with supply chains will dominate, others will depend on them. This is how technological gaps turn into global power shifts. And we've seen this before,
with oil, with nuclear technology, with the internet. Now it's happening with AI, and Nvidia chips are at the center of it. But the biggest question is still unanswered. Can the world break this bottleneck, or will AI growth hit a hard ceiling? Because if supply doesn't scale fast enough, the AI boom could slow down, not because of lack of ideas, but because of lack of hardware. And that's the hidden story. Behind every AI breakthrough, behind every new model, behind every headline, there's a silent constraint limiting how far we can go. And almost nobody is paying attention to it until now.